Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy new year. It's been a minute. So I created this soft glam. I've always wanted to create the soft glam look, so I finally got to create it. I know I'm late, but I got to create it. So please, if you want to see how I created it, and please, you need to see how I created it, okay? So if you want to see how I created it, just stay tuned and keep on watching. And my hair is inspired by Only Bells on Instagram, so you can check her out. And so using the Juvia's Place concealer, I'm just going to use that as my base, my eyeshadow base. This shade is in the color 13. I'm really excited, finally. And people will be like, Auntie, Juvia's Place has been out for a really long time, but I'm glad I finally got mine, and I'm glad I'm able to make a video with it. So going in with my Morphe palette, I'll be using this shade for my outer crease area. Also make sure your concealer is well blended before adding any shade. I'm going to use this white powder from Zara Cosmetics to set my brow bone area to create for easy blending. I'm going in with this light shade to blend that out. Guys, as usual, just be patient and be sure to blend well. So I'm going back in with my Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm going to kind of make a cut crease, but not an actual cut crease, like cut crease, with a brush that looks like this. I'm taking this shade from the same Morphe palette, and I'm going to use that. I'll first you dab. Don't sweep, just dab first. Like so. And I really don't want this cut crease effect, so I'm just going to go in with my brush I used earlier on, and I'm just going to blend. So I'm going in with my Makeup Forever Skin Equalizer, and I'm just going to use that to prep my face. So using my e.l.f. setting spray, I'm going to use that as a base because I've realized that using setting spray makes your foundation flawless. So yes, that's one of my secrets now to my flawless foundation. And also I'm going with my Milani 2-in-1 Concealer and Perfect Foundation, which I still use to date. Yes, you heard it, I use it to date. And also going with my Coastal Scent brush. I'm going to use that to blend my foundation. And I'm also using a beauty blender to blend it all in to give it a flawless finish. So guys, going in with my Juvia's Place liquid concealer in the shade 13, I'm going to use that to highlight my face. I've always used LA Girl Pro concealer and Milani concealer. Those are the only two concealers I've ever used in my life, and it feels good to use another affordable brand. And I tell you, this concealer is amazing. Today I decided to use my normal face powder to set my face because I felt like doing that because I'm going for a soft glam also. So I'm using my Milani compact powder in the shade Warm to set my under eye areas, my nose, my forehead, my jaw, and everywhere I'm supposed to set. So I'm basically using my normal compact powder to set my face. Next up is my CoverGirl bronzer. So since I'm going for a soft glam, I'm just going to do a powder contour, no cream contour, no hard contouring. I need my makeup to be as subtle as possible. So I'm going to use my CoverGirl bronzer and I'm going to use that to bronzify. In the words of Savannah Silva, I'm going to use that to bronzify my face. So using my Xyron jawliner, I'm using that jawliner for my waterline area, and also going with my Milani compact powder. I'm going to use the powder to set my whole face. So using the colors I use for my outer crease area, I'm just going to use that to smudge my waterline. And that's basically the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace. Also guys, be sure to like this video, comment, share with your friends, tag, and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.